Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for WRX's WRX token. And also guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and day trading and how to make profits and stuff like that on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm only going to continue to grow more and more as time goes on, you guys. Now here's the thing. For those of you who are new to my channel, and this is the first video you've seen of me, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I have no reason to sell whatsoever, so I'm always looking for new positions and new coins that would potentially give a good ROI. So this is why I do these kinds of videos, because I like to personally see, I might as well film myself doing it. Hey, I'm not in the red on any of my long-term positions, so I must be doing something right here, you guys. So we're going to see where WRX or WRX could potentially be in the long term, you guys. And when I'm talking long term here, you guys, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm talking holding on to these coins, throughout bear markets and throughout bull markets, okay? I'm talking, maybe 3 years, maybe 5 years, maybe even 7 years. I'm talking long term here, okay? Buy multiple big, large positions into multiple altcoins here. So we're going to see where WRX could potentially be in the long term. Currently, WRX is currently ranked number 180 on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading for 61 cents at the time of me filming right now, with a market cap of $234 million and a circulating supply of 381 million tokens as well, you guys. So let's see what we got going on here. We've got, let's see here, price data goes all the way back until February of 2020. So it's been around for about 2 years now, you guys. And as we can see here, it didn't really start taking off until about February of 2021. So about a year after it started to take off and make moves. So that's nice to see. And just because it went up and went down does not mean it won't go up again, you guys. Its all-time high right now is $5.94, but I guarantee you it will probably go much higher than that in the long term. But let's see where it could potentially go. So we're going to see what the market cap was back when it hit its last all-time high. Now, we don't know what the circulating supply was back then, so we're just going to use the current circulating supply right now. And just to round off, we're just going to use 382 million, since it's kind of pretty much close to it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by, what was the all-time high again? The all-time high was $5.94, so 5.94. And guys, we've got a market cap of roughly 1,000 million billion, $2.2 billion. Now guys, me personally, in the long term, grand scheme of things, I personally believe in the long term. I'm talking 5 years, maybe 7 years from now, maybe one or two bull markets from now. I see no reason why WRX can't reach a market cap of at least $4 billion in the long term, you guys. There are no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I mean, as more and more money flows into these markets, more and more money is going to flow into these other projects as well at long term. So I truly believe that WRX can easily reach a $4 billion market cap at some point in time. So we're going to see what the price would be if the market cap reached a $4 billion market cap. So let's see what we got going on here, you guys. And just for shits and giggles here, obviously when that happens, you guys, the circulating supply is probably going to be a lot higher than where it's at right now, just because it's getting used daily and more people are buying into the coin or token. So it's going to be significantly higher than where it's at right now. So let's say it happened 3 years from now, okay? 3 or 5 years from now. I mean, I'm not a magician. There's no magic ball behind me. I can't guarantee you anything. This is all speculative. This is all just me giving my honest opinion. So let's see what it could potentially be here. So the circulating supply I'm actually going to be using for this is going to be roughly around 450 million, okay? So we're going to use 450 million, and we'll start multiplying numbers and see what we get. So when the circulating supply is at 450 million and it reaches the all-time high of 594 again, 5 times 5.94, it's going to have a market cap of roughly $2.6 billion, you guys. So that's still a little bit, that's still like 1.4 billion less than where I think it can go. So let's see how high it could go. So we're going to try $6.25 next. So 6.25, we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 450. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 450 million, and we come out with $2.8 billion, you guys. So much higher than that too. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try $7.50. So it's $7.50 times 450 million. And we get $3.375 billion, you guys. So still a little low. Okay, we'll try $9 next. So we'll try $9 times 450 million. And we've got 4.5. Okay, so we'll go back to 875. 8.75 times 450. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got $3.9 billion. So that's the number I'm comfortable with. That's pretty much, right on target of my $4 billion mark. So when it reaches that high and the circulating supply is at 450 million, hey, I mean, if that happens, I mean, this is all speculative again, guys, remember that, then the price will be roughly around $8.75, which is huge from where it's at right now. And this is how I figure out what I'm going to be investing in for the long term, you guys. I do this kind of stuff right here because, hey, I mean, it's clear to see that these markets are going to continue to keep growing more and more as time goes on. So, I mean, you'd be short-sighted to think that it can't reach a $4 billion market cap at some point in time. So $8.75 is going to be my long-term price prediction for this token. Now, here's the thing, you guys. I like to also see what a potential ROI would be if we were to buy into it with a long-term position right now. Now, normally when I buy into a long-term position for the first time, I usually start out with $10,000 if the capital is available, because $10,000 is a very, very good number to start out with for a long-term hold. It just is. You're going to make your money back for sure. Unless you're buying into a scam project or something like that. But this is not a scam project. So we're going to see what a potential ROI would be if you were to buy in right now and hold until $8.75. So we got $10,000 and we're going to divide that by 61 cents, 0.61, and we are going to have 16,393 tokens. 16,393 tokens, and we are going to go ahead and multiply this by $8.75, you guys. We're going to come out with $143,000. So realistically, you guys, after our $10,000 initial investment, you're going to come out with roughly $133,000 as your return on your investment, which is a very solid ROI to make, you guys. And there is no reason why it can't reach that at some point in time in the future. Again, guys, this is a very solid return on your investment, $133,000. So, hey, guys, you might as well get in early if you want to. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to go that high because obviously, like I said, I'm not a magician. I can't guarantee anything. But given the circumstances and, numbers don't lie, it can definitely has the potential easily to reach a $4.5 billion market cap in the long term, you guys. And that's where the biggest money is made in crypto, is holding long term like that. So there you go, you guys. That pretty much does it. So that pretty much does it for this video, though, you guys. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.